Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to do your daily check-in. So if you need help, you should be in the homeroom and you should be under the classwork tab. And then you're going to go to the topic that says daily check-in and you'll see daily check-in. And it's not, that's what that's what you would click on. And if you click on it, it'll have this form here, and it's a Google form. Now, one thing about Google Forms is you need to make sure that you're logged into your FCSD account when you do it. Okay, so I want to make sure that if it doesn't work, sometimes it's because you weren't logged into your Google account, which most people should be. But sometimes, the way you can tell is like up here in the corner. Oh, you can't see it because my recording screen is not there. But if you look in the corner, you can see your little icon. Okay, so here's our daily check-in, and every day for at least the first month or so, we'll be doing this digital daily check-in. And so you're going to type in the date, and if you click here, you can even pick the date, and this will be for the 12th, so you type a date there, and then that's a required question. You're going to hit you would type in your first and last name, then you would hit next. Oh, I don't know if it's going to let me go on because I have to answer the required question, so I'll go ahead and type this in. 2020, I type in my name, this is Myatt, I hit next, and then it says, how are you feeling? And if you click on that, are you this or that? And I said, which do you like better, right? Are you feeling like a Cheeto Puff? Or are you feeling like a Taki? And I think I'm feeling like a Taki today. Okay, and then I'm gonna say, again, this is only for Mrs. Myatt. The only person who sees this is Mrs. Myatt. So nobody in the class is gonna see this. I will be, I might be sharing out, which this or that people liked better. But again, the only person who can see that is me. And then you can answer, leave me a note. How are you feeling? What's going on? If you have any questions, this is a good way to be messaging me and asking me questions. If you're having a difficult time, and it says I need to schedule a Zoom meeting, it should be a team meeting. Can you call me? If you're having any issues. And again, this is something we're going to be doing throughout the year. At the beginning, we'll be doing it every day. Throughout the year, I might be moving it more to a weekly thing. But again, this is anytime you need to contact me, call me. This is a good way to do it. And then when you're all done, you're going to hit submit. And I'm not going to hit submit because I don't want to, this is just a trial for me. Okay. So again, that's how you do that is how you do our digital daily check-in. And again, if you cannot do it, make sure that you let me know. And I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now.